So this is the AI operating system I'm building here at Double, and this is obviously the simplified version. So I'll walk through it pretty quickly, but we've got certain folders, which are like projects in Claude Code, and the tippity top folder is called my master file, and within that master file you've got a context, and that context is basically instructions around our agency standards, our brand guidelines, our voice, our global APIs, and our intellectual property. Master file basically is a global file for everything. Underneath the master file, we then have our clients, and our clients inherit all of our master file instructions. So all the agency standards, like our reporting guides, everything gets inherited. So within the client folders, we have our context. And so that context could be what our clients' business goals are, how they like reporting, who are the key contacts, their budgets, etc., etc., etc. We've also got our own internal team meetings and recordings, communication lines. So that helps obviously inform the AI around what's going on with the client. And then we've got our tasks as well, which is being read. And those tasks help it understand like where we're going with our current strategy. And that also helps inform the AI around, okay, these are the client's goals. Now, these are the tasks that we're producing. Maybe we should shift these tasks around based on priorities. So the other thing I forgot to mention, and I'm just adding this onto here, is when a staff member loads their project file, or in this case, the client, what you have is you have your Claude MD file in there, and Claude MD files are just there as a base instruction. Claude Code loads your Claude MD files first, and that gives it its core instructions of what to do. In our cases, a Claude MD file tells it, hey, read the client context first, get an understanding of the client before you do any work, and then you can continue. There's other stuff in here, like for example, Claude MD also make sure you adhere to all of our agency standards and stuff like that within the master file. Ensure that your Claude MD file is as condensed as possible with enough rich information to tell the model what to do first. You don't want it to have too much information in there because one, it's going to cost you a lot of tokens, which is money, and two, it's going to create too much of a large context window for your AI. The larger your context window, the less accurate your model is. So you want to try and reduce that context as much as possible.